Hello, in this video we are going to see how to get a screenshot as file. So we have a page object method get a screenshot as file that we are going to use. It takes an argument file name. So this is a very simple example. We are opening a page and opening the URL and then getting the screenshot as file. So let's run the test by nRoBo -fn key test method name and test started running. Browser is once created. Open the URL and take the screenshot as file. Here we can see screenshot has been taken, and that's it. Thank you.